Shalom, shalom. What it is, my truckers, my road warriors, my coach potatoes alike. We're all alike. Buckle up, because we're about to take a wild ride through the world of trucking. You might think it's all about big rigs, burly dudes with impressive beards. I think my beard is impressive. But there's a plot twist that got the industry, it's a little shaky. In the steel toe boots. We wear steel toe boots, get it? Alright, it was funny. It is the great driver shortage of our time. Picture this. Thousands of truckers, all dressed up with nowhere to go. Why? Good question, Orlando. Good question. Because there's no one to drive them. No one. This is what they're trying. It seems like where they're trying to go. It's like a really sad version of musical chairs. But instead of chairs, we got 18-wheelers. Now, you might be thinking, so what? I don't need to haul a semi across the country. But hold on to your steering wheels, folks, because this impacts everyone faster than you can say. Where's my Amazon package? Good question. I'm actually waiting on mine. See, trucks move about 70% of pretty much the whole U.S. freight in the United States. That's right. Almost everything you own probably took a ride on a big rig. Everything you own. At some point. So when there's not enough drivers, well, it's not just the trucking companies that feel the pinch. It's all of us. All of us, guys. Imagine a world where your favorite snacks are out of stocks. Oh, Welch's? Or worse, your online shopping addiction goes unsatisfied. I'm cool with that. My wife. Save money. I save money. Because deliveries are delayed. The horror. Doom, doom, doom. I gotta drop some music right here. Doom, doom, doom. But wait, there's more. This shortage is driving up costs faster than a truck on an open highway. We know that. That's probably why we see different prices in the grocery store right now. They doing this. They already kind of sneaking it in. Companies are offering fat sign-in bonus and increased wages to lure in drivers. Well, a little bit. Sounds great for truckers, right? Well, yes. But those costs get passed down to us consumers quicker than you can say surge pricing. Well, I fall in both. I'm a trucker and I'm a consumer. So yeah, we have. So the next time you're complaining about the price of, well, anything, you could partly blame the lack of people willing to spend their days cruising the nation's highway. Yep, that's you guys. You gotta hit the highway. Even though I'm local. Technically, I'm local, right? You might be wondering, why don't people want to be truckers? Good question, I know. Brokers have a lot to do with it. Well, if you own and operate, I know I don't like brokers. Sounds awesome. Well, long hours, time away from family, and the glamorous lifestyle of gas station food it's not exactly setting the point for the younger generation. They different. They streamers. I'm millennial. Gen Zs, they different. Plus the rise of automation. Some folks are worried their jobs might be taken over by robots. What's it called? Autonomous trucks? Just saying. Though personally, I'd pay good money to see a robot try to navigate a truck stop restroom. That's funny. So what's the solution? Well, the industry is trying everything from lowering the interstate driving age to recruiting more women. So you could drive. I remember, I think it was like 18 at one point. Yeah. And veterans. I'm a vet. Big up the vet. So yes, truckers. What does that mean for us? Doing a free trip, by the way. You gotta log it in the phone also. Us drivers, they say more pay. I don't know if I see them more pay. This is from an article that I had read. I don't know if I see. Oh, okay. I'm in the truck. I don't know if I see the more pay. I don't even know if I see. I guess these new trucks, they come in a little bit better. Like, this is a new truck. This is 2025. It's pretty clean, but I feel like it looked like a traditional Peterbilt 579, but it's just nice. Only thing difference is I have a digital dashboard. I do like that. Y'all want to see? Now, this is not about showing my truck. I'm gonna do a whole video showing my truck. All right, let me show y'all my digital dashboard. Digital dash. See that? Look at that. All right, let's focus, y'all. Let's focus. So these Gen Z, they're different. They're not necessarily into stuff like this. They're streamers. What you doing right now? They're doing what I'm doing right now. If they are out here, they're recording the video. I'm not a Gen Z, by the way. Not Gen Z. I am a millennial though. But yeah, that's what it is, man. Let me know what y'all think about it. How y'all feel about this all this stuff is going on while groceries are high, you know. Truck information. How y'all feel? Talk to me. Let's converse in the comments. It's your boy Landon. I am the Mando. Shalom. For this.